Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are taking proper care of yourselves and staying safe. So today I'm here with a very new tutorial of how to create hair accessories. I created these cute little beautiful hair accessories, hair bows, and I'm so much in love with them. I kept the video very simple for the beginners to learn quickly. As you all know that how much hair accessories, hair bows are in fashion today, I thought of creating something like that. So yeah, let's begin with the video. Alright, so I'm gonna start with measuring the piece of cloth. So here I'm taking 3 inches of width and 6 inches of length. You can take any measurement of your choice. It completely depends on you how big you want the hair accessory to be. I'm drawing lines so that I can cut the piece of cloth. Probably the lines are not visible in the camera, but I'm able to see it clearly. And with the help of the scissors, I'm cutting out the measured piece of cloth. Alright, so once I'm done with cutting the piece of cloth, I will trim the edges so that I have a clean surface to work with. Just slightly trimming the excess threads, and now I will fold the cloth in this manner and stitch here. So you have to keep in mind to keep the right side of the cloth inside when you're folding it. And now with the help of needle and thread, I'm stitching both the ends together. You can always use a hot glue gun if you prefer to, but right now I'm using needle and thread because I feel needle and thread is more secured. So this is how it looks once it is stitched. And now I will try to bring the inside of the cloth, that is the right side of the cloth, outside. If you're facing difficulty to do so, you can always take help of a pen or a pencil. Easy, right? Alright, so now I have ironed it, and again I will trim the edges, but before that I will show you that I have kept the stitched part at the center. Okay, so now I will fold it again in this manner, once again this way, and stitch it together. So basically it looks like a circle. Okay, so this is it. Now we will learn how to fold to make the shape of a bow. Before that I will cut a small piece of cloth and fold it. I will not stitch it right now, I'll just fold it. I will show you once again how I fold this piece of cloth. Okay, and as I said, I will not stitch it right now. I will just iron it and keep it aside. So here's how you create the shape of a bow. Lift up both the sides and pinch the center. I will show it once again. Or you can fold at the center and then bring both the sides upwards like this. Once I'm happy with the shape, I will take the needle and thread and just once pass it from the center and wrap the thread and secure it. You can adjust the bow to give it a proper shape. And now with the other piece of cloth, I will wrap the center of the bow to conceal the thread. And stitch it. Cut the excess and here is the bow ready. I'm taking a bobby pin and attaching it to the bow, keeping the top of the bobby pin inside like this, and your hair accessory is ready. You can use any hair clip. So let's move on to the second type of bow. For this, I'm taking a denim piece of cloth and now I will begin to fray. So once I'm happy with the fringes, I will do the exact same thing to create the shape of a bow. Take another small piece of cloth and wrap it at the center to conceal the thread. And cut the excess. Here is the second type of bow ready. So this is the third type. Again, I will fray, and this time I will do it lengthwise. So you can see this time the fringes are lengthwise. And do the exact same thing. And the bow is ready. I have created some more different kinds of pattern which I'm showing you, and you can use your creativity and make any kind of head bows. These are really cute and simple to prepare. It's really beautiful, and I loved making the video. If you guys loved it, please let me know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also, please take a moment to share and comment. Alright my beauties, this is all for today. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and bye bye.